But for now, it's definitely a step in the right direction. A lot of objects that are floating around the house, and that's kind of part of what's driving me crazy because I can't find things, can fit into this piece of furniture. It's time to get it reorganized. Some of the drawers are perfect. That's my light bulb drawer. Look at that. So easy to find things. But there are plenty of empty drawers at that end, and that's gonna make a big difference in my effort to get rid of all this loose stuff around. Tomorrow is Sunday, and then the day after that, he needs to get in here and paint. So I have all tomorrow to do the rest of the clearing. I spent so many hours on this project, so not worth it. But I need a ladder, so I'm just gonna plow ahead with this. Well, after several false starts and more hours than I want to admit, I finally got this thing back together. I don't know what took so long. I don't know why I found it so frustrating, but I'm really glad it's over. Let's just see. It's just not worth it. I guess that's why. I'm frustrated, because it was a huge expenditure of time. I don't really have. I'm so hot and sticky. It's about 12:30. I've been at this since about 8:30. All right, anyway, it's done. I'm not gonna screw it any tighter because it definitely needs wood glue in the joints. But at least I have it. Okay, it's done. And I'm curious to see if it's still a little bit woggy. I left the pieces in the sun for a few weeks during several heat waves. God, I can't believe I wasted the better part of the weekend getting this thing back together. It's hard to believe how long it took. And it's not even finished, but at least it's back together. It's still a bit wonky, if you see from a distance. It has a slight twist in it. Hello. But anyway, at least it's out of the way. It's not in pieces in the garden anymore, and I can move on. It's hard to believe it took this long. I can't figure out what took so long. Anyway, whatever, it's done. Well, it's not done, but it's fine for now, and it gives me access up to that loft because I'm gonna put the small mattresses up there pretty soon, get them out of the way. You going out? Watch out, there's some rogue kitties out there. Hello, darling. Hey. Considering how many things I need to do that are really quite important, such as the flooring here, I've been wasting time doing things like this as well. Cutting off the legs of a table that somebody gave me so that it can be a coffee table upstairs. Good morning. Dickie and I are taking it easy. Dickie, are you ready to do some editing? Yeah? You ready to do some editing? Ow! Don't use your nails. Look at those little toe pebbles. Oh! Dickie? Dickie, you're such a dick. Anyway, the weekend was a bit of a washout, but I still have 5 or 6 days here, so I plan to get a lot done. Okay, this is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna put you on time lapse. Quite a few things came in here, but it's lightened up the room that we're gonna be working in significantly. I got everything ready. I even took that out. Hades, like many men, doesn't like to see me move things. It freaks him out. So I end up doing everything before he gets here. So yeah, we're pretty much ready to go here. And now, I'm gonna tackle this room for the first time. So, this is it. The beds go, but I can set this room up because it's gonna be a long time before the ceiling gets finished, so I might as well make it livable. I like this here. The loom is just temporary, but the shoe station will stay there. It'll get cleaned up more, but yeah, that's staying there. And the bench next to it for sitting and taking your shoes off and changing them will stay as well. But the couch has to go, and that's what I don't know. Where am I gonna put it? Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Haha. That's my dirty laundry. Okay. So, this is definitely a time lapse situation. So, see you on the other side. Well, I think it's one of those times where it's gonna get a little bit worse before it gets better. But things are being shifted into the right rooms for the first time. And I'm not unboxing everything yet. This corner is just not going to stay like that, obviously. But yeah, it's happening. Slowly but surely it's happening.